Hello everyone, I am Jayananda from VR Siddharth Engineering College, IT Department. Today, let us discuss about tkinter, which is a Python library in this video. So, let us now first know about what is tkinter. Forgive my writing. The tkinter is a standard graphical user interface GUI library for the Python. It comes pre-installed with Python. There is no need to install it externally. And tkinter is used to make websites with buttons, labels, input fields, etc. And as it pre-installed with Python, there is no need to install it explicitly. Like we install numpy and pandas like extra packages for this. So in this video, let us now make a simple project which contains a window and a button, and let's add some functionality to that button. So let us first define what are the steps to make a tkinter window. Steps to make a tkinter window. So what are the steps? Let us define them. The first step is importing tkinter. After importing the tkinter, we should define a window. Like defining its title and geometry. Okay, before initializing its title, defining its title and geometry, we should initialize it. Yeah. It's okay now. And then there's the third step, which we should make a button. Make a button. So before making a button, we should actually define the functionality of that button. So after defining the functionality of the button and after making the button, we have to run the main loop. And that's how these are the steps to make a tkinter window with a button. Let us mention the button. So now let us implement these steps in real time in the VS Code. So I've made a sample.py file here in my Python folder, and I open this in the VS Code. So now what are the steps? The first step, we should import the tkinter and define the window and initialize and its attributes. Let us do that. Import, I'm on caps. Import tkinter as tk. So the tk here refers to the tkinter in the whole program. So now let us initialize our main window, which we call root. So let us call the function which initializes the main window. It is capital T and small k. Make sure that T is capital and K is small. And let us now, as we initialize our root variable with the main window, now let us define its attribute, its title. Root dot. Now the main window is our root, so we refer it to root. We refer it as root. Root dot type. Root dot title. Let us make it my first window. So the title of the main window is my first window. So now we have a title for the window. What else do we need? We need the size of the window. The size of the window is defined by the geometry attribute. So now let us define the size in pixels. So here as the suggestion says, I will not go by the suggestions and make it 500 x 200. Make sure that is an x, not a hashtag like this. Make sure it's an x. This is the correct syntax. So now here the 500 defines the width and the 200 defines the height. As we initialized the main window, let us now look at the next step. What should we do? Define the functionality of the button. Okay, to make a button, we have to define the functionality of the button first. So let us write a function on click. As we click the button, I have named the function on click. Let us print empty space here for better visibility on our terminal, and let us print the button click, and then print another empty space here to make the visibility more clear. So after this function, what we should do? Create a button. Button equal to tk dot button function, which is the inbuilt function in the tkinter. So the attributes, the parameters it uses and the arguments we pass is which window the button should be displayed. The button is situated in the root window as of now, as we created only one window. So the text that button says, there should be a text on the button, right? What that defines, click me, and then command, like what should the button do? If the button is clicked, it transfers to the command, and what is the command? On click function. We are passing on click function as a parameter, an argument for this. So now let us finish it by packing our button with a paddy. Paddy means we are adding some padding for the button. Padding means the space. The pack function packs all our elements in the button, and we can use grid function also instead of the pack function. So now let us run the main loop. So make sure the file name is other than tkinter. If you name your file as tkinter, it will collide with your library. So let us now run this python sample.py. Yeah, it's running. So there's an external window popping up here. So let us open that. Yeah, as we gave this a title, my first window, it's here, and we named the button click me. It's saying click me, and it is in the root window. Let us now see what will happen if we click this button. Let us click this button. Click me. Yeah, the button clicked. So here in the output screen, it says the button clicked as we mentioned here. And that's it about the tkinter. See you all next video. Goodbye.